In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get free Coursera courses using the official method. Let's dive in and explore this great opportunity to broaden your knowledge without spending a dime. First, we need to navigate to the course page on Coursera. This is where all the magic begins. Whether you're interested in developing new skills or just want to explore a subject area out of curiosity, Coursera offers a wealth of courses designed by top universities and institutions worldwide. Finding a course that piques your interest can be both exciting and overwhelming, given the vast array of subjects available. Once you've found a course you'd like to dive into, the next step is to look for the option to audit the course. Alternatively, on some courses, you might see phrases like full course, no certificate, or a newly introduced course preview option. These options allow you to enroll as an auditor, which is the key to accessing the course content without charge. By opting to audit the course, you'll be able to watch a majority, if not all, of the video lectures. These lectures are crafted by experts and are filled with valuable insights and information. Additionally, you'll have access to reading materials that accompany the lectures. These materials often help deepen your understanding of the topics covered in the videos. However, it's important to note that auditing a course generally means that graded assignments and certificates of completion will remain locked. This is a standard practice, as certificates are typically reserved for those who pay for the course. If your goal is to gain skills and knowledge without necessarily obtaining a certificate, then auditing is a fantastic option. Nonetheless, if you're set on getting the certification to verify your newly acquired skills, you might want to consider the paid option or explore scholarship possibilities on Coursera. It's worth remembering that not every course on the platform will have an audit link. Some specializations or guided projects, for example, may instead offer a course preview or even a 7-day trial. Each course's enrollment options are available on its respective page, so it's crucial to check there first. I hope this explanation provides a clear pathway for you to explore free learning opportunities on Coursera. With a little navigation and a keen eye for details, gaining access to free courses can be a simple and rewarding endeavor.